Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out on the RV and we're going to move the camera so you can see. But the problem we have is our handles are really hard to pull on our tanks. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that. If you turn your handle, you'll be able to get in here and drill a small hole. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a small hole and put a grease fitting in here. So that'll help us so we can lubricate it. We're going to do the black water tank as well, although it moves pretty well. So we don't really need to do the black, but we're going to do it, so we have done it. So stay tuned here. We'll show you how to do it. So these are the tools we're using today. We've got a electric cordless drill. We've got a 9mm wrench. We've got a tap handle. We've got a tap set along with the drill that's for 1/4-28. We got some WD-40, and we have this assortment of grease fittings. You can see the ones we have here. The first thing we're going to do is put our drill into our drill bit in. Okay, so you got your drill bit in, and what you're going to do is you're going to come in here just inside of this plastic here. You're going to lightly start it, right like that. You can see that went right in. The nice thing is all the chips came out. So at this point, I'm going to put a little WD-40 in the hole for tapping purposes. You'll also notice when you put that in, suddenly this goes in and out really easy now because there's lubricant in there. Oh, let's find our quarter. Our thing says 1/4-28, so our fittings say that they are. If you look on the box here, it says they are 1/4-28. So we are going to do 1/4-28 threads. And then we're going to come in here and just tap this in. You'll see the chips come out. And it'll go in real easy. It'll get to a point where it turns real easy. That's when you know you're through. So you can take it back out. Now we're going to take our WD-40, flush some more in there. Little water coming out. Well, maybe we're not up all the way here. There we go. And feel that move nice. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these grease fittings, and we're going to use one that's on a 45-degree angle. Turn this and try to get this started in here. Pull this out so the grease fitting goes all the way around. Put this in by hand. Far as she'll go. You don't want to strip the plastic, so when you get it where it's snug, you can see it's right where we can't grease it. So what we're going to do is turn it a little bit. And you can feel it. It'll tighten up on you. And that way we can get at it good. Now we'll be able to put a little grease in here once in a while. We got some food grade grease we can push in there. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. A lot of helpful how-tos to save you a buck here. If you keep pulling on this and you break the handle when it gets real hard to pull, you are going to have a problem, and then you got a big job ahead of you. So here we save some time and money. Now, don't forget to use the links down below to Amazon. Help support the channel here. I get a small commission off of those sales. So if you go in just to buy any of these supplies and you do some other shopping while you're there, we appreciate it. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.